Balloon monkey tutorial. Leave approximately 8 finger widths at the tail end. First, twist a 4-finger single bubble. Twist a single bubble. Fold in half and continue twisting a single 4-finger bubble. Twist the single bubble into a barrier knot. Continue twisting a barrier knot. Tighten the balloon neck and wrap it around the ear knot. Make a 3-finger single bubble. Wrap and secure it around the ear knot. Deflate and wrap it securely to the middle. Gently pinch the balloon neck and wrap it around in a full circle. A 5-finger single bubble. Make another double ear twist. The balloon skin rotates 1 full circle around its center point, twisting a 5-finger single bubble. Twist 2 single bubbles around each other. A 4-finger single bubble. Wrap around the ear of the knot. Shape the tail end. Adjust the shape. Add the monkey face and you're done.